Hey guys, this is Dr. Tom Mazahery from OrthoVirginia. I'm here to talk about our cervical disc replacement. The technology has been out there for the last 10, 15 years, and we've been at the forefront of this technology. It's an exciting new development that we've been doing this at our surgery center now at Herndon. It's a technology that basically preserves motion in the cervical spine. So we have fusion technology, which works very well. But we also have disc replacement technology that we're doing more and more. And this preserves the motion in the cervical spine as well as takes the pressure off the nerves and allows for pain relief from a pinched nerve. It works very well, and we're able to do it in most patients in an outpatient setting. And we're doing that at our Herndon Surgery Center now, which is exciting because a patient can go home the same day and be pain-free. And most patients are very happy with that scenario instead of staying at the hospital. So take a look at this, and it's a technology that's developed over the last several years, and we're very happy to be able to present it at our surgery center